So we got some beef here, chat. Just 80%, nothing crazy. Um, we're just gonna cook it like you would cook taco meat, okay, or sloppy joe meat or anything. So I'm gonna heat up this pan a little bit with some oil here. I think I should add oil, probably, right? Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Look at that meat cam, sizzling. Cook that meat up. I gotta mince up some garlic. How the fuck do I get these little garlic cloves out of here, huh? So this one I need 3 garlics for the uh for the meat, and the other one you said you needed a whole clove. But I feel like if I just do the rest of this one, it should be good, right? Probably. I feel like that would probably be good because I gotta mince it. I gotta mince this shit, bro. Oh, fell out of my way.
Give the garlic cloves a rough chop, cutting each into 4 or 5 pieces or slices.
Oh.
Next, hold your knife vertically and lay your free hand flat across the tip end to help stabilize it.
Oh, like
Use
this.
a rocking motion, move your knife from left to right and back again, until
Okay.
the garlic is first finely chopped and then minced.
I think it's kind of I think I'm kind of doing it. Yo, thank you, bro. Did you look that up on the Googs? On the Googles? Hold on, let me put that in there. Yo, mix that up. Put the garlic in there. Get some flavor. That'll be good. Alright. Now we gotta mince the rest of it. Alright, we're almost done chopping the garlic. Then we mince this garlic. Put it in some melted butter. And then we can start the fries. And then we can mix all the sauce. Alright, let's stir this. Then we gotta melt some butter. I don't know how. We gotta dunk the fries in the butter, it says. So we're gonna need a lot of butter. I don't know if I should do like half of this or what. 8 ounces butter. Okay, let's try this much. Not too much. Well, I'm dunking the fries in it, so put the garlic in there. God damn. I have frozen fries here, and I'm just gonna, don't mind me, following instructions from online recipes. You toss the fries, and then you take them out, and then you toss them again, bro. It says 11 to 19, so we'll put them in for 11. Put this back on. Now we focus on the real recipe, chat. We haven't even really gotten started with our beef here. We just cooked it up, right? We cooked it up, we kept it warm, but what are we doing with it? How are we making it sloppy, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. We added the garlic, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, the 1/4 teaspoon. So I need 8 of these. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. Alright. Stir that around. Okay, we got the rice vinegar in there. We need a half a cup of ketchup. Oh, I forgot the ketchup in the fridge. Hold on, chat. Half a cup of ketchup. Okay. That looks like half a cup. Half a cup of hoisin sauce. Hoisin. A half a cup of this, okay. I promise you when I mix it together, it'll look way better, chat. A half a cup of water. I need 2 of these. For the sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. You say so. That's a lot of soy sauce. I had to double check. That's a lot. Okay? Hold on, let me mix it together. I haven't mixed it at all. I'm missing something. Oh, that's sloppy. Oh, I almost forgot the sriracha. How much sriracha again? Half a teaspoon. There we go. I need this cutting board and this knife. Got chopped green onions on this shit. Oh god, that is sloppy. Gotta toast the buns. Toasting the buns on the back burner here, chat. The brioche buns. Now we need some green onions. Ends are not that good, so we just chop those off. A little garnish there. Oh, those are looking delectable. I think those are mighty fine done. Fries. Okay. I'm actually gonna move this and this. Look at these fries, bro. And now, kind of like drizzle the garlic shit on it. Right? And then you put a little bit of the Parmigiano or Reggiano. Alright, let me plate these fries. And then I will show them to you guys, huh? Chat, I present to you the garlic fries.
Looks so fucking good.
Dude, this pan is heavy. Look at that, bro. Oh, it smells so good, bro. Are you excited? I'm excited, bro. I think I'm just gonna... Fuck it. Bro. What? No way. Bro, you gotta have the brioche bun. You gotta have the brioche bun. Oh, it's falling apart. Dude, the recipe is in my Discord chat. I posted it in the munchies section. You gotta try this. It's messy, but it's so good. Oh my god. That was fucking delicious, bro. I think that's rivaling the tacos I made for one of the best things I ever made, bro. Holy shit. And these fries, you just dip them in the meat. You have to try this recipe. These garlic fries are literally just garlic, minced, melted butter, tossed in before the oven, toss them in the oven, toss them again, put some Parmesan sauce or cheese.